guys, my name is Marcela and today's video it's a little bit different than my other videos because today I want to share with you my 10 favorite items for the month of June. The truth is that I'm always intrigued by these kind of videos when I watch them on YouTube, like my 10 favorite items or my 5 favorite items for a certain month. So I always watch those kind of videos. So I thought it would be a good idea to incorporate it in my videos as well. So if you like this kind of video, please let me know in the comments down below. So that way I know that I could continue doing these kind of videos for you. And my first product is a Swiffer. I really love this product. It's fantastic because you can use it not only to dust the floors, but you can also clean the walls with this. If you put microfiber cloth, a dry microfiber cloth, you can dust the floors, dust the walls. If you put something wet, you can actually mop the floors with this. People always ask me, I have a very small apartment in the city. I don't want to have a huge amount of items. So if we can reduce it just to one, I would say get a Swiffer because you can dust the floors and also mop the floors with the same product. My second favorite item is microfiber cloth. If you have seen some of my other videos, you will know by now that I love microfiber cloths. They not only work fantastic, but they also help us with the environment because if we use microfiber cloths, then we're going to use less and less paper towel, and that is great for everybody, not only for the environment but also for our pockets because we're not going to spend as much money on paper towels. So these in particular are super good. They are from the brand Grove Collaborative. I'm going to put the link down below so you can check them out. They are super good, very thick but very soft at the same time. I love them. My third favorite product, and this is probably my favorite product of all times, it's Miele Vacuum. I absolutely love Miele vacuums. They not only work fantastic, they also have a bag. So I prefer vacuums that have a bag versus the bagless vacuums. And the reason is because I feel that they trap better and they contain the dust better than the other ones. And when you throw the trash out, you just change the bag. The other ones, you have to open the cup, throw the trash, and all the dust comes back to the air. So for that reason, I have always preferred vacuums that have a bag rather than the bagless vacuums. But this one in particular is absolutely fantastic. It normally has two different attachments, one for hardwood floors or for hard floors in general, and another attachment for carpets, and also has 3 extra pieces, 3 different attachments that are like for the edges, for baseboards, for the sofa, and different kind of upholstery. I cannot say enough about Miele vacuums. I absolutely adore them, and it's the one that I always recommend to my clients. And my final favorite product, cleaning-wise, is Mrs. Meyers. I absolutely love Mrs. Meyers products. As you can see, I've got the whole line. I have laundry soap, the dryer sheets, dish soap, the hand soap, and this is great because when it's empty, which actually I have to refill this, I can get the refill, so that way I don't keep buying extra bottles. And surprisingly, the price is very reasonable. I think the hand soap is $3.99. I get them at Grove Collaborative, and at their website I think it's $3.99. I'm going to put the links down below so you can check them out. I absolutely love Mrs. Meyers. It has everything that I'm looking for in a product. It's natural, it's non-toxic, no chemicals. The scent is also natural because it's from essential oils. I always get lavender, I love them. And on top of it, it's cruelty-free. I mean, it's everything that I look for in a product. Mrs. Meyer has it. I absolutely love it and I recommend it all the time, so it had to be on my list today. My three next favorite products are in the category of beauty products. And again, I know this channel is essentially cleaning and organizing, but if I use this product and they're good and they work good on me, why not share with you? So the first one is Bye Bye Makeup by It Cosmetics. This is fantastic. It takes absolutely all my makeup from my face. I put it on, then I rub it a little bit, and then I take it off with a damp cotton. It's great. It's almost empty actually. It'll be just for tonight, and tomorrow I need to buy another one because I've used it all. This is probably the third jar that I get. So I've been using it for a while, and it's absolutely fantastic because it doesn't dry my skin and it leaves it really, really free of makeup. I love it and I recommend it to you 100%. Right after I take my makeup off, I put this tonic on my skin. I love it because it's so refreshing. It helps me take the rest of the makeup. Although with this one, I don't really need a second cleanser. This is not a cleanser. This is actually a toner that will refresh your skin. It's non-toxic, chemical-free. And I have this too. This one that I put on a little cotton and then I put it on my skin. And the other one, it's a spray one that I just spray it on my face, and it's so refreshing. I love it. And my third and final beauty product is Bare Mineral Sunblock. This is SPF 50. I love it because it doesn't leave your skin like kind of sticky. I don't like the sunscreens that will leave your skin kind of sticky and then you feel like you're sweating all day. This is super good. It will leave a little bit of white cast at the very beginning, but you still have to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you put your makeup on. So by the time you put your makeup on, it's with your natural skin already. And my third and final category on these favorite products is organizing. And if you just saw my last video, I showed you how I organized my cabinet, which is under the sink in my small bathroom. I changed what I had because it wasn't really working for me, and I got these little boxes that are absolutely fantastic. I love them because it's big, but it's compact at the same time, and it has divisions or dividers in the middle. So I know exactly where to get every single item that I have under my sink. So this one, and I also found this other one, which I also featured in my last video, and this one is a little smaller, but it has bigger compartments. So I can put bigger or larger items inside here. I really like them. I got them at Home Goods, and they're like very reasonable price. $9.99 for the big one and $5.99 for the small one. And also, when I organized under the sink, I found this little jar. It's really, really nice because I can put everything in here, like the cotton and the Q-tips, and those things are not like an eyesore every time that I open my drawer. I really like it. And the third one is a little basket that I also got at Home Goods. It could be any basket, but I thought I would share this with you because what I do with this basket, I put it in my living room, and inside I put all my dog's toys. Really nice. It's also pretty, so you can use it as a decor in your living room or any area. It's fantastic. I put all of his toys here, and I don't see them around, and they're not like all over the place, so I put them all in one place. And that's it. I really hope you liked this video. I would so much appreciate if you let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy these kind of videos, so I can keep making this type of videos for you. If you liked it, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with all your friends, and I will see you very soon with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.